Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho Analytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Zoho Analytics login page. In the address bar, type in the URL, analytics.zoho.com. Press the enter key to load the page. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button. Click the sign in button at the top right corner. A new window will appear prompting for your email address. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click the next button. You will now be directed to the password entry screen. Type in your password carefully. If you wish to stay logged in, check the box for Keep Me Signed In. Once you have entered your password, click the Sign In button. If you have entered the correct credentials, you will be directed to your Zoho Analytics dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. If you're logging in using Google or another service, select that option instead. You will be prompted to authenticate with your chosen service. Complete the authentication process to access your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and features. You are now ready to begin using Zoho Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.